Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing Sophie's Boutique Hamptons.com. So before we get into the review, this is exactly why I made my research guide. So you guys don't have to wait for me to tell you if something is legit. So the link is down below for you to check out in the description. And with that out of the way, let's get into the review. So as you can see, we have it here open up on their website. And they have these red flags and the signs of a scam website. So as you can see, this is very clearly AI generated. It is very high definition or AI enhanced. As you can see, these are the dress they are selling. As you can see, and these are just color coded or color graded to look different. As you can see, the original was white, and then if you hover over it, it becomes yellow, and the background also changes to a lighter tone. As you can see, this is very just edited. So they have the characteristics of a scam website. Since scam websites tend to look like this, there are a lot of websites that look like this with the image in the middle and then flashing big sales in your face. So if you're wondering if this is actually legit, we have it here on Sophie's Boutique on Trustpilot and see the reviews. So this person said, scam, poorly made pants are pitiful, don't order, clothes are polyester and badly sewn. I believe this is a scam. This person received their order, and a lot more. So I believe that they're not entirely a scam. They do send out their products, but I believe that their products are really badly made. So I would advise you, if you really want to buy these products, I would advise you to only buy one first and check it out to see if it is actually really good or bad. And that is basically it, guys. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.